Hi to everyone. I am very excited today. I am joining in on an awesome challenge. The hostess of this challenge is Decorating Annette's Place, one of my favorite friends to join in on challenges with. Is she not the best? Always comes up with such great creative ideas, and this is the best of all, bees. You know how much Grandma loves doing bee tablescapes, and we are all going to have an awesome good time. Please check out the playlist and make sure that you check out everyone that joined in. Everyone put a lot of time and effort into these videos. Please put the time and effort into watching them. Now, we also have Glamour Ellen joining in. She is another awesome creator, and she knows how to put glamour in everything she does. Her name says it all. She is glamorous and does wonderful, wonderful displays. Please go check her channel out and see what she's doing. And then, of course, another great creator, and hers is Luxury Living with M. And the title of hers also, her home is so full of luxury and beauty, and she has such a great sense of style and taste. Please go check out her channel too. You are going to love it. It is just put together so well. Don't forget to go check out that playlist also and see all the wonderful people that joined in on this challenge. And here it's Grandma. Grandma tries to do things a little more on the simple side. I don't have a big home or fancy, so I'm going to show all of you that just have a small home or only want to do tablescapes for two. You can do it too. Please check out everyone's videos they made. Well, we're going to do a little DIY project today. Hard to believe that Grandma's even saying this. I got a package of bee stick pins for $3, and I stuck them into this candle that I already owned and had that was made out of beeswax. Wanted to share with you what it looked like and how I went about doing it. I spaced out each bee until I was happy how it looked. And I put 5 bees on each of the beeswax candles that I had. What do you think? How do you like how they turned out? I thought they turned out pretty good, and the great thing about it, I thought it was going to be difficult, super easy project to do, and I could angle those bees any which way I wanted to do them. And I put both bee candles next to each other to try to get the bees about in the same place, and I thought it turned out pretty good. Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about it. Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. We're doing 2 tablescapes today. This is the very first one of 2. Hope you're going to enjoy what I put together. Most everything in this tablescape are things I've already had and owned. There's only a few new things that I have. The beautiful bee stick pins that are in those candles are new, and they were $3. The tablecloth is new, and it was $10. The beautiful queen bees are from Mackenzie Childs, and they are also new. Those are my very first pieces of rose gold I have ever bought. So I don't have any other pieces to share with them. So that is why I've decided to go with gold and pink. And of course staying with the black and white theme of the bees, like you see in the tablecloth. But all the other things that are on this table I've already used. Eventually I will pick up some more rose gold pieces to make these beautiful queen bee Mackenzie Childs napkin rings be the center of a beautiful tablescape. But right now I don't have anything else to share. And as you can see, these are great because they stand on their own, and you can use them for napkin rings, make them for centerpieces, and they can be turned in different directions. And because of the napkin ring, they fully support themselves. I hope you will enjoy this display I have, and make sure you stay for the second one. And let me know which was your favorite. this is our second tablescape for today, and this is going to be in the yellow, green, black, and white. Hope you're going to enjoy it. There's only a couple things that are new in here. Those stick pins that are in the actual beeswax candles, those are new. And the tablecloth itself, isn't it beautiful, with all those beautiful black and white and yellow bees flying all about and the honeycomb pattern on it. I just loved it. Let me know what you thought about the beautiful tablecloth that we found and picked up. Everything else on this table we've already had and used. Everything I reuse and repurpose as much as possible. I thought this one turned out pretty nice. Let me know which one was your favorite. The pink version or this other version in black and orange and white. I really loved it. Please give me your opinion, what you thought.